is always, every year has been a unique edition altogether. This time what we've done is that we have a 4-day event wherein we've planned, every day there are new activities planned for the students and for the audience. The first day started off with the JDDA stock room. This is the first time ever where an institute is hosting a stock room wherein students get a chance, a retail experience right when they are learning. They can display their products, their furnitures, clothes, and there were a huge list of buyers who had graced the event. Second day and the third day, which is today, we have the interior design display, visual communication display, and the luxury brand management students displaying their work. Again, we've had 1,337 people, to be precise, who have attended the 2 days of interior, visual communication, and luxury. To be very honest, we are also extremely happy that we've gotten a tremendous response from the audience. The next up, which is tomorrow, is going to be the JD Design Awards fashion show, and followed by the industry awards, wherein we also felicitate the industry people. The fashion students also get a chance to display their collections on the ramp. This year, for the fashion department, we've collaborated with the Charter, wherein we conducted an auction for the students. The brands, 42 brands had come together. They had bid on our student groups, and 28 out of the 40 sequences were picked up at the auction. So again, it's a very emotional ride, something that we are extremely proud about. And that's something that my parents have always taught me to give best to the students.
Okay. Before we go ahead, it can be also of India also.
English, like English. English.
मेरा हिंदी में बच्चा.
English, I say English.
Yeah, but my English is problem. Yeah, okay. No worries.
Sorry, I can also add on to it if you want.
Like little interaction.
हाँ ये सही है.
Interact. It was also interaction.
Yes.
Yeah.
वो बंद कर दिया, वो बंद कर दिया, रास्ता बंद कर दिया.
JD Design Awards prepare students for the design industry.
We keep it very simple. JD Institute and JD Design Awards, we keep it very simple for the students. We want them to explore themselves deeper and deeper. Even in the talk with ADI right now, we mentioned that the students have to spend time with their own selves, think about their own creative aspects, be comfortable in whatever they do. We as an institution, we do not want to limit them to any particular judgment. Be themselves, follow the right path is something that we always encourage them to, go forward with. And yeah, the results of course are out, and that's something that we're always known for.
Sorry, we want them to believe in themselves more than anything else.
And of course, his philosophy always says that live life king size. So we've always encouraged them to live life the way they want. Just like SRK, I'm the last of the stars.
I'm the king.
Yeah.
How important is industry exposure for young designers today?
Industry exposure is of course very, very important. What happens is that in today's AI world, students are refraining from going out of their homes because they have access to everything at their homes on a click, right? That is something that makes them not communicate to the outer world. That is where institute like us play a role. हम आते हैं and we try and push them to go out, take the local train in Bombay, see how life is, see how people are, understand the market, understand what is different perspectives, and that is how our students come up with different ideas. Exposure for us is basically for them to go out of their house and explore everything that the world offers.
What can audience expect from the grand fashion finale tomorrow?
The audience can just expect something marvelous. I've seen the work of this student.
230 design?
Yeah, 230 designs. I mean, it's something that students have made with pure heart. Students have put in their each and every ounce into creating that particular collection piece. It's
I get 4 months they've been doing this.
Yes.
The final product will be tomorrow.
4 months since they've been working on this one particular garment, and each group has been asked to make 7 garments, 230 garments on display. it's a creation of fashion altogether. And again, we are very proud of our students. It always keeps us going.
What is your vision for the future of JD Design Awards?
Future is experiential learning. What we have transitioned into is experiential learning. A person who does not experience anything in their life will not get the result or learning is something that I believe. Right from the first year, I want students to start experiences, challenges, start experiencing different methods of creativity, different exposure for that matter. Yes, there are books, there is theory. Basics have to be taught perfectly. Immensely, the basics are taught at JD. But post which, when we go on the real world, is something that I want students to learn while they're learning at JD. So we're transitioning into experiential learning, and that is the future.
What message would you like to share with young designers?
Just have fun.
Yeah, just have fun.
You know, design is a field where there are no boundaries. Design is a field where there's nobody here to judge you. Just be free, just have fun, and that is the way where you get the best results.
एक सवाल ये भी AI आने के बाद क्या फर्क पड़ा है डिजाइन पे?
सर, AI आने के बाद अगर आप AI के दोस्त हैं तो आपको बहुत आगे तक लेके जाएगा. अगर आप AI के दुश्मन हैं तो आपको आपकी ग्रोथ जो होगी वो रुक जाएगी. एंड आई ऑलवेज एनकरेज स्टूडेंट्स टू बी AI's फ्रेंड. आप AI को अपने आप को रिप्लेस मत करने दीजिए. आप हमेशा AI को अपना एक दोस्त, अपना एक साथी लेके चलिए, वो आपको बहुत मदद करेगा.
AI के आने से काम जल्दी हो रहा है.
जी जी.
जो काम 5 घंटे लगा रहा था, वो 5 मिनट में भी हाफ एन आवर में हो जाता है. So that is what AI has done to us, especially in the in this industry, design industry, because students spending a lot of time doing their CAD work or something like that. Spending 2 hours on one drawing has come down to half an hour, 20 minutes. That is what AI is to us.
One last question. Do you think because of AI, the creativity which a human has been got like killed or something, like people have stopped thinking?
I'll give my example. I use a lot of AI. I use it to help myself. It has always aggravated the way I think. It has always given me different ideas as to how can I think better. Even while I was designing the entire production of JD Design Awards, the backdrop you see, the area that we are at, the entire Bombay Art Society, how it's lit up, it gave me an idea as to how can we visualize things. And then eventually my mind, of course, adapted to those ideas, made it possible for me to execute in the right way possible. It also gave me ideas as to how can I manage the investment for that matter. So right from the creativity to the business aspect, it has given me an amalgamation of all these real world challenges, I would say. So I don't think it is going to affect the creativity. It's again on us humans as to how can we use that particular AI, and rest is going to be history.
You created your JD anthem.
Right.
Everyone got to know. What is the next thing that you are creating on your own and there is no knowledge?
Right. So we are creating a platform, or rather a brand called House of JD. It's just like Amazon. It's just like a platform where all the JD students can display their products, their furnitures, their garments, their diaries, their NFTs.
Online shopping.
Hola.
Right.
E-commerce.
An e-commerce platform wherein students right from the first year or the first month at JD Institute can just publish their clothes, their work, and get paid for it. And that again, we're transitioning into experiential learning with entrepreneurship for our students. I want students to be business owners. So that's the whole idea.
One last message to your fans, your audience.
Keep designing, keep
Be
imagining.
original. Be original.
Right, be original, just like JD, the original in design education.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Best